For me, good design makes each moment inspiring by offering something new. It looks like a masterpiece. This is the pinnacle of innovation, where a phone can change color every moment.
Vivo moments aren't just any moments. They're moments in the epic saga that is you. Capture the delight in them.
Maybe you want to catch a game?
Why don't we play one? I have FIFA loaded.
Man, you're on.
You are too good, man.
I've been playing this game every 3 minutes since I got the phone. Because it just handles the graphics really well and it's also so fast.
Well, the secret sauce behind this is phenomenal MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. It doesn't consume much power even as it offers unique imaging performance and fantastic speed. That's why you get unbeatable gaming experience and immersive entertainment.
You know what? I'm going to download some more games then and check.
You should, though first let me beat you at this one.
No chance.